This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is brand new, ready to go, centrally located with no homeowner association. You're gonna like the openness of the floor plan, all that it has to offer. Let's go take a look. So today we're at 1246 Dorothy, and I want to show you first of all, the beautiful curb appeal this home has. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single car garage. It's got the nice landscaping package all the way around, fully sodded. You can see they had some nice put the rock on the edge here for some extra touch all the way around here. And so let's take a look. If you're looking for a starter home, maybe an investment property, this one's ideal. You can see the cute little lanai it's got. And this is the nice siding. This is not aluminum. This is nice siding. It is a concrete block home, but does have the siding over there. So let's go on in here, take a look at the openness of this design. All right, so we've got a couple things going on here. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. Look how clean and nice that is. It's absolutely fantastic. All the window treatments are included. Don't have to worry about hanging blinds. Big double window. All your lights are all LED. Ceiling fan. I don't have the light on there because there's plenty of light in here, but you can see the open kitchen. Quartz countertops. All Frigidaire appliances. Really pretty. And you can see the farm sink, big sink, the window right out there to wash your dishes and look out there, or just throw them in the dishwasher. Range, built-in microwave, refrigerator, nice and open design. So let's come back here. I want to show you, you've got the 3 bedrooms and 2 bath down the hallway this way. But before we do that, let me show you this kitchen just a little bit more. So a couple things. It's all soft close. It's really nice. Super modern. White cabinets are in. Do you like white cabinets? Most people love them. Some people would rather have color, but you know, dark, gray, painted, what have you. This is kind of nice too. So you can just throw some extra things in the corner here. That's great. All right, so when you first walk in, a couple things. Huge laundry room right here. Ceramic tile flooring in your laundry and your bathrooms, all your wet areas. So plenty of cabinets. We always need extra storage. And then your washer dryer, full size, goes here, and then above is place for soap, dryer sheets, and you got a single car garage, which is great. Garage door opener, pulling on attic stairs, your water heater, your electric box, nothing fancy, but it's all out here. Good for storage. Some people just use their garage for storage and don't even park their vehicles in there. You could easily get 2 vehicles in this driveway, no problem at all. All right, so let's take a look. So for the kitchen, right here is your pantry. Nice sized closet pantry. By the way, let me show you. It's hard to tell on video. The depth, let me back off. Here you go. The depth of this pantry is great. You could easily put some food items down there or paper items. Walking back this way to the right, you're gonna see this is one of the full-size bathrooms. Again, the ceramic tile flooring, tub shower combination. Now they put the ceiling or the tile all the way to the ceiling. They didn't cut any corners. Little area here for your shampoo and your soap. Again, the quartz countertops, same cabinets. Big mirror, towel bar area, your plug for your hair dryer. And then right across this way is going to be one of your bedrooms. See, this flooring is throughout, which is great because you don't have to worry about carpet. Master bedroom right this way. Look how big it is. Double windows. Let's go see what this looks like. Coming right into the master bathroom, which is a really nice master bathroom for a startup home. You kidding me? I never had a bathroom this big on my first home, maybe even my second home. Look at the counter space. And I can promise you, I did not have good old quartz. How about Formica back in my day? Anybody remember Formica? Oh yeah, Formica is where it was at. Now, some of the Formica, what did we do after Formica? We beveled the edge to make it a beveled edge. In other words, it just was a line and it just kind of beveled it, not even curve, slant. That was upgrade. Then what did it go to? I'm giving you a little countertop history. Okay, this is just my opinion as a real estate agent. Then I went to what? Corian, right? Corian, and then what? Corian's still around, by the way. Corian's great. And then what? Maybe Granite? Granite's awesome, right? Granite's still out there. Love Granite. And then what came on the surface? No pun intended. Quartz. Yep, quartz. Love quartz. Really nice. God, honestly, like it better than Granite. Okay? But again, they're all really nice. It's countertops, right? Some of you are like, are you a countertop snob? Not really. But I do like the quartz. I do like the fact it's easy to clean, it doesn't stain. There's a lot of nice things about quartz. Drop a comment below as you're watching this video. What do you like best? Or you're even putting question marks like you don't really care. As long as it's got countertop to put your stuff, you're good. Closets around the back here. And then straight out back is your lot. Vinyl fencing, PVC vinyl fencing, right? Your lot line, you can see we have another brand new construction. You could have a new home right next to you, is about the halfway point. So nice size between the homes here. Kind of hard to tell in video, but you've got a decent sized side yard, right? No HOA, brand new home, 1 year builder's warranty. Look at this. So this is gonna be the backyard on this. We're staying on, it's probably right between that tree. It's all this. Little lanai, drop your grill, a couple chairs. You could even screen this if you wanted, but it's kind of nice being open. So I hope this has allowed you to get an idea of this really great starter investment home, what have you. Love to show it to you. By myself or one of my team members. All the contact information is below. Let me know if you want to see it, whether selling or buying. You got to call Brian.